Guys, this curly arrow actually curls your hair for you. Like, all you need to do is to press the direction.
May the happiness we share with them today be with them always. Now, Emily, repeat after me. I, Emily,
take
thee, Ross,
as
my lawfully wedded husband in sickness and in health till death parts us.
as my lawfully wedded husband, in sickness and in health, until death parts us.
Now, Ross, repeat after me. I, Ross, take thee, Emily,
take thee, Rachel. Emily.
Shall I go on?